I thought today it might be fun to play with Hollibaugh. Hollibaugh is one of the first tangles that you learned when you take a class, a beginner's Zentangle class with a CCT. So I'm starting off the same way. I'm making my dots and I'm connecting them with lines to create a frame. To start off Hollibaugh, you're going to draw a set of parallel lines that crosses a pretty big space. So, like this. And then I'm going to aura these lines. Then you're going to draw more lines that cross this, but anytime you hit a line, you're going to pick up your pen. Like that. And I'm going to aura these. And in Hollibaugh, these aren't usually auraed, but I'm adding that in today. And then you continue to make more lines. I'm just going to do a few. So let's see. I want to make sure we have a little bit of interest here. And so my eyes get all kinds of wonky. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put a pencil mark here so I know which one is the negative space and which one is my actual Hollibaugh. So, because I'm gonna just do those for right now. I might add some more in. It's okay. I just don't want to get too confused. So with all these different lines going all the same way, it's very easy to do so. So I'm going to start off by adding a tangle into the Hollibaugh strand. I guess you call it a strand. I don't know what you would actually call it. So start off over here. And I'm doing a tangle called Shattuck. And to draw Shattuck, when you're drawing the line to go the opposite way, you're actually making a curve like this. You don't want to make the curve the other way because then it won't work out. And now I'm gonna do another with Shattuck. And then since we have this Hollibaugh here, we gotta kind of pretend like, well, where would we really end up if we, were continuing on? But we don't have to really, it doesn't have to be that complicated. I hope I was on camera. What we need to do, what we can do is just start off in the corner again. And now I'm going to do a Shattuck in this one. And now that I know where my Hollibaughs are, I'm going to add in another one real quick. Let's see, where do I want to add that? I think I would like it to be going, because this looks like one, right? And then this one here, this little piece, it doesn't really matter because there's so much Hollibaugh over it where we start and where we end. I find it a lot easier to start kind of on the corner. Now that's kind of neat, but what we're going to do is we're going to shade these. And I want to, my pencil's not really sharp, but I want to get a good bit of graphite just here on the edges. I'm gonna stand my tortillon straight up just so I could get that edge right there. See, you can see the difference between the unshaded and the shaded, and it's such a big difference. So I feel like it's lacking a little bit of contrast. And plus, a couple of my lines are a little uneven. So I'm actually going to take this 05 pen I have here, and I'm going to color those in. And since it's black, I can kind of thicken up a space where maybe I didn't draw my parallel line, my oral line very well. And that is today's Hollibaugh. So these are 2 Hollibaugh I did, and this is the only one that I did on camera. And I just wanted to show you the difference of how it looks, different shading. So I still shaded the inside of them, but instead of outlining the black, I just left it. And then these negative spaces right here, I shaded them a little bit more. So that's also another way. I think this is more striking, but I also think that this looks good as well.